A very good morning, student. We will start our lecture 3 on national and international institutes and research institutes which are working for agriculture in India. This is the first deemed university in India. The four deemed university, the dream of every agriculture student. The first is ICAR-IARI, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, which is present in New Delhi. The second is ICAR-NDRI, that is National Dairy Research Institute, which is present in Karnal. The third is ICAR-IVRI, Indian Veterinary Research Institute in Izzatnagar. And the fourth is CIFE, that is Central Institute on Fishery Education in Mumbai. These are the four deemed universities of India which mainly focus on agriculture and agriculture-allied sectors and development of with respect to research and education. Followed by, we have 64 central institutions which is working for the agriculture and allied enterprises. The first is ICAR Central Island Agriculture Research Institute, which is present in Port Blair, there is Andaman Nicobar. Central Island Agriculture Research Institute. The second one is Central Arid Zonal Research Institute in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Arid refers to the highest arid land in India is in Rajasthan, followed by in Karnataka. Arid lands are generally land where you see a very less rainfall and even most of the land is completely dependent upon the rainfall for crop cultivation. Generally in Karnataka we see semi-arid region. The Central Arid Zonal Research Institute in Jodhpur. The third is Central Avian Research Institute in Izzatnagar. Central Avian Research Institute in Izzatnagar. The Central ICAR Indian Veterinary Research Institute is also in Izzatnagar, related to the animal husbandry. Veterinary is Izzatnagar and the Avian Research Institute is also in Izzatnagar. The next is CIFRI, that is Central Inland Fishery Research Institute, which is in Barakpur, West Bengal. The next Central Institute of Brackish Water Aquaculture in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Brackish water. Remember the term brackish water aquaculture in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Central Institute on Research on Buffalo. Buffalo in Hisar. So few important breeds of buffaloes, such as Murrah, are generally from those northern India. So the Central Research Institute on Buffalo, Central Institute of Research on Buffalo is in Hisar. Central Institute for Research on Goat is in Makadum. The next Central Institute of Agriculture Engineering is in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Agriculture Engineering is in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Central Institute of Arid Horticulture in Bikaner. Central Institute of Cotton Research in Nagpur. Central Institute of Cotton Research is in Nagpur. Central Institute of Fishery Technology in Kochi, Kerala. Fishery Technology in Kochi. Fishery Research Institute is in Barakpur. Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture is in Bhubaneswar, Orissa. See the freshwater fish, remember, freshwater aquaculture is in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Fishery Technology in Cochin and Fishery Research Institute in Barakpur. Now compared to Central Research Institute on Cotton Technology in Mumbai, then Cotton Research Institute is in Nagpur. Cotton Research Institute Nagpur, then Cotton Technology in Mumbai. Then Central Institute of Subtropical Horticulture it is in Lucknow. Central Institute of Temperate Horticulture is in Srinagar. Central Institute of Post-Harvest Engineering and Technology, Ludhiana, Punjab. Central Marine Fishery Research Institute is in Kochi. Marine is also in Kochi. Central Marine Fishery Research is in Kochi. Central Plantation Crop Research Institute in Kasargod. Central Potato CPRI is in Shimla. CRIJF, that is Central Research Institute on Jute and Allied Fiber, which is in Barakpur, West Bengal. The next is Central CREDA, most famous Central Research Institute on Dryland Agriculture, which is present in Hyderabad. National Rice Research Institute, NRRI, National Rice Research Institute in Cuttack. We have Central Sheep and Wool Research Institute in Avikanagar, Rajasthan. Central Sheep and Wool Research Institute in Avikanagar, Rajasthan. Indian Institute of Soil and Water Conservation is in Dehradun. We have Central Soil Salinity Research Institute in Karnal. We have Central Tobacco Research Institute in Rajahmundry. We have Central Tuber Crop Research Institute in Trivandrum. We have Central ICR Research Complex for Eastern region in Patna. We have Central Research Complex for Northeastern Hill region in Barapani. Then next we have Central Coastal Agriculture Research Institute, ELA, that is Old Goa. Then Coastal is in Goa. Indian Agriculture Statistical Research Institute, it is in New Delhi, beside to ICAR. We have Indian Grassland and Fodder Research Institute in Jhansi. We have Indian Institute of Agriculture Biotechnology, most important, recently they have asked in the competitive exam, that is in Ranchi. Then Indian Institute of Horticulture Research, IIHR, that is in Kesarghatta, Bangalore. We have Indian Institute of Natural Resin and Gums in Ranchi, and we have IIPR, that is Indian Institute of Pulse Research in Kanpur. Then few institutes related to soil science, that is Indian Institute of Soil Science in Bhopal. Spice Research is in Calicut, Indian Institute of Spice Research. Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research is in Lucknow. Sugarcane Research is in Lucknow. Sugarcane Breeding Institute is in Coimbatore. We have Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research, Lucknow. Indian Institute of Vegetable Research, Varanasi. In National Academy for Agriculture Research and Management, Hyderabad. We call it as NARM, National Academy of Agriculture Research and Management in Hyderabad. We have National Institute of Biotic Stress Management, Raipur. National Institute of Abiotic Stress Management, it is in Baramati, Malegaon in Maharashtra. We have National Institute of Animal Nutrition and Physiology, Bangalore. The next National Institute of Research on Jute and Allied Fiber, that is Kolkata. Then National Institute of Veterinary Epidemiology and Disease Informatics is also in Bangalore, that is in Hebbal Road. Sugarcane Breeding Institute in Coimbatore. Vivekananda Parvatiya Krishi Anusandhan Sansthan in Almora, Uttar Pradesh. Then Central Institute for Research on, Almora in Uttarakhand. Central Institute for Research on cattle, that is Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. National Institute of High Security Animal Diseases in Bhopal. Indian Institute of Maize Research, earlier it was in New Delhi, now it is in Ludhiana. Then Central Agroforestry Research Institute in Jhansi. We have National Institute of Agriculture Economics and Policy Research in New Delhi. We have Indian Institute of Wheat and Barley Research, Karnal. Indian Institute of Farming System Research, most important, to competitive exam they have asked this. It is in Modipuram, Uttar Pradesh. Then we have Indian Institute of Millet Research, Hyderabad. Oilseed Research, Hyderabad. Oil Palm Research in Godavari. Then Water Management, it is in Bhubaneswar. IIMR, IIOR, IIOPR, IRWR. It is in generally Hyderabad. 2 MR and OR is in Hyderabad. Oil Palm in Godavari. Water Management in Bhubaneswar. Then Indian Institute of Rice Research in Hyderabad. Central Institute for Women in Agriculture. This is also most important. Central Institute for Women in Agriculture. It is in Nagpur. Then Indian Institute of Seed Research, Mau, Uttar Pradesh. Indian Agriculture Research Institute, that is another sub-campus of IARI. Not sub-campus, another autonomous campus of IARI, that is in Jharkhand. Then National Research Center, we have 15 National Research Center. On banana, it is in Trichy. Grapes in case of Pune. Lychee in Muzaffarnagar. Pomegranate on Solapur. Camel on Bikaner. Equins in Hisar. Meat with Hyderabad. Mithun in Nagaland. Orchids in Sikkim. Pig in Guwahati. Plant Biotechnology in New Delhi. Seed spices in Ajmer. On yak, it is West Kemang. In pest management, that is also most important, integrated pest management, it is in New Delhi. Then Mahatma Gandhi Integrated Farming System, it is in Bihar. Mahatma Gandhi Integrated Farming System. We have 6 bureaus. The first bureau of National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources is in New Delhi. National Bureau of Agriculture Important Microorganism, which is present in Mau, Uttar Pradesh. National Bureau of Agriculture Insect Resources in Bangalore. National Bureau of Soil Survey and Land Use Planning, that is in Nagpur. The next National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources in Karnal. Fish Genetic Resources in Lucknow. Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Fish animal is in Karnal. Animal Karnal, Hisar, near to Hisar. Then fish in Lucknow. Soil Level Plan in Nagpur. Agriculture Insect in Bangalore. Agriculture Important Microorganism in Uttar Pradesh. The next, Project Director. It's not so important. But remember, few project directorates. For groundnut, it is in Junagadh. For soybean, Madhya Pradesh. Wherever more production is there, just have that catchy term of soybean, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Groundnut, Junagadh, Gujarat. Rapeseed and mustard, Bharatpur. Then mushroom, it is in Solan, Himachal Pradesh. Onion and garlic in Pune. Cashew in Puttur. Medicinal aromatic plant in Anand. Floriculture research in Pune. Weed research in Jabalpur. Foot and mouth disease in Mukteshwar. Poultry research in Hyderabad. We have knowledge management in agriculture in New Delhi. We have cold water fishes research in Nainital. That is in Uttarakhand. Yeah, some international research institute. This is also most important. The consultative group of international agriculture research. Under that, we have few international research institute. The first is Asian Vegetable Research and Development Center in Taiwan. Consultative group on international agriculture research in Washington. International Center for Tropical Agriculture, that is in Colombia. Center for International Forest Research in Indonesia. We have Center National Maize and Wheat Research Development, CIMIT, we call that. It is in Mexico. CIP, that is International Potato Center, it is in Peru, South America. FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, Rome, Italy. We have International Board for Plant Genetic Resource, that is also in Rome, Italy. We have International Center for Agriculture Research in Dry areas in Aleppo, Syria. Then we have ICRAF, that is Research in Agroforestry in Nairobi, Kenya. We have International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropic in Hyderabad. International Food Policy Research Institute in Washington. International Irrigation Management Institute in Colombo, Sri Lanka. Then we have International Tropical Agriculture, it is in Nigeria. International Livestock Research Institute in case of Nairobi, Kenya. Rice Research Institute, IRRI, Manila, Philippines. International Service for National Agriculture Research in Netherlands. West African Rice Development Association in West Africa. And we have World Meteorological Organization, WMO, it is in Geneva, Switzerland. This is a map. You can see here, CIMIT is in Mexico. International Potato Research Institute in Lima. Then we have Rice Research Institute in Manila, Philippines. We have International Water Management Institute in Colombo, Sri Lanka. ICRISAT, the only international institute in India. ICRISAT, it is in Hyderabad, Pattanacheru. International Institute of Tropical Agriculture in Nigeria. World Agroforestry Center is in Kenya. In this way, ICARDA, that is the International Center for Agriculture Research in Dairy and Agriculture, which is present in Syria. And few state agriculture university. Generally, we have around many state agriculture university and few private state agriculture universities also. But ICAR accredited to state agriculture universities, including in Karnataka, we have 5 state agriculture universities. Bangalore, Bidar, Raisur, Dharwad, Bagalkot, and one among these is a veterinary university that is in Bidar. We see the Rajasthan, we have 5 agriculture university, and yes, these were related to the institutions which are working for the agriculture in India and the world. If you like my teaching, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.